What's up, YouTube? Welcome back to my channel. It's your favorite mother hustler, Mama Mo. Social links will be linked right here. Go ahead and follow you, girl. Today's video is going to be how I organize my inventory for my reselling business. Basically how I set it up to where all I have to do is pull an item, scan in the barcode real quick, package it, and then get it shipped off. Super easy, super quick. Don't have to go searching through a whole bunch of crap. I just have the number and I just pull it. So if you guys are interested in that, keep on watching, and if you guys want to see more videos from me, go ahead and subscribe. So let's go ahead and get right into the video. So basically the first thing I do once I've gone out sourcing for items is I know there's a huge controversy on whether we wash or don't wash the clothing. I personally wash my clothing. I just feel like it's better. It's not just sitting in that smell. I don't feel like steaming the item gets the smell out of it thoroughly, and I just personally don't want to sell my stuff in that kind of condition. So, because anybody who knows me knows that I love my smell goods. I want all my stuff to smell good. Okay. So pretty much after I have washed everything, just checked everything again, make sure everything is in its place, I will go ahead and add the item in to my inventory sheet. Put in all the information that's needed, the description of it, the brand, the size, all of that, where I got it from. And then the next step that I do is I like to just cut off any threads that may be hanging, lint roll it. I also use this shaver that I got from Walmart. It's like, I think it was like $20 or something like that, $19.99, and it takes off like the little flyaway that, so I just shave the item if it needs it. And then once I've taken care of the item, I then go ahead and fold it in a really nice way. So I put in the arms first, and I fold that, and then I fold over the sides so it goes in like a square. Once the arms and the sides are folded in, I then take the bottom of it, I fold it in once, and then I fold it in again so it makes this cute little square, super neat, super clean looking. And then some people use the resealable bags on Amazon, but I believe they're like $20 something. And for somebody who's just starting out, who has like little to no money, you might want to use like a cheaper alternative. My personal recommendation is to go to Walmart, get the bread bags that are like $3, and which I'll link that below, and then get some tape and just take the item, put it inside of the bread bag, fold it over, take all the air out and stuff, and put a little piece of tape going across the back. It's resealable for me because if you need to reopen it to put like in a thank you card or something when it's time to ship, you could just take another piece of tape and retape it. No big deal. After I have put the item into the bag, I then go ahead and put a barcode on it, which for me is a personal thing that I do because barcodes are so much easier than me trying to figure out numbers to put on the actual item. A cheaper alternative would be to just take like a Post-it note. You could just write on the actual packaging. You could take an address label and put, I've seen all kinds of people do all kinds of different things. I just use a barcode because it works for me and it's easy. Then I go ahead and go back into my inventory sheet, and where I put the description of it, I then scan in with my barcode scanner, which all of this I'll link below. I got it on Amazon, and scan in the barcode number into the inventory sheet. So once I'm pulling the item, I actually just take either the last 4 of the number or I take the full barcode depending on the barcode numbers. I'll go find it in the bin that it's supposed to be in. I just pull it, go ahead and package it, and get it ready to be shipped off. So that's personally how I organize my inventory for my business. If you guys enjoyed this video, I would greatly appreciate a like. Go ahead and leave a comment and let me know what you guys want to see next, and subscribe to stay up to date with what your girl is doing. As usual, nothing's changed. New year, nothing's changed. I will catch you guys in the next video. Until then, bye.